Hello again, I'm Mel. My channel is for those wanting to improve their writing skill, academic or business. I'm especially creating this channel for those who are preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, EIKEN, and other academic writing tests. So, please hit the subscribe button right now before anything else, that way you won't miss any of the content I create here for you. Content that will make you write not only better, but also in a much quicker way. In this video, we'll focus on the subject line. To start off, the subject line should not be treated like an afterthought. Your email either goes straight to the trash bin or read based on the subject line alone. Makes sense. People don't have time to read every single email. They usually skim through their inbox and decide if emails are worth reading or not by looking at the subject line. Here's the rule of thumb for the subject line. Now, things to remember for strong and effective subject lines are simple, no nonsense. Keep it short. Clear, professional. State your purpose clearly. Specific, focused. To the point. Polite, appropriate. Rudeness is an absolute no in emails. Finally, it has to be actionable. That means you state what action you expect from your recipient or recipients. Also make sure that your subject lines are free of errors. Check the spelling, grammar, and punctuation. And if applicable, set a deadline. The acceptable font size for emails can be anywhere from 10 to 13. Also keep in mind that for mobile phone users, only up to 30 characters can be displayed on the screen. And I think this is the most important rule of all. Write the subject line first. And the reason for that is It can serve as a guide so you don't go off tangent as you write your email. Remember, the subject line tells you what the purpose of the email is. Here are the common purposes for writing emails. I've come up with some good examples for you. And here they are. Here are some subject lines that you can use for when you want to say congratulations to somebody, or when you want to send a welcome email or an invitation. Here are some of the subject lines to express empathy, an apology, or to deliver bad news. For proposals, suggestions, or confirmations of anything, these are the subject lines you can use. If you want to introduce yourself to a new contact or to somebody with previous contact, you can use the following. And that's the end of today's training on subject lines. Remember not to overlook this part. Visit this channel again next week for the next part of this series. Thanks for watching and see you next time.